Today's topic is gymnosperms. Similar to angiosperms is that they produce a seed. All gymnosperms are considered heterosporous, produce two types of spores, microspores and megaspores, means male and female spores. Microspores, it's a male, and megaspores, it's a female type of spores. And gymnosperms means naked seeds. In Greek meaning, seeds are totally exposed, are born on the scales of female cones. Examples: pine, spruce, fir, hemlock and ginkgo. Four phyla in gymnosperms. First, Coniferophyta, Ginkgophyta. Coniferophyta containing spinous and cycas, and Ginkgophyta, Ginkgona, and Cycadophyta, Gnetophyta, Gnetales, Cycadophyta, cycas. Different types of ornamental plants. Each has unique characteristics to show. Let's look at them closer. Most conifers are evergreen, meaning their leaves remain throughout the year. Most of conifers are monoecious, meaning they have separate male and female reproductive parts in different locations on the same plant. Different strobili are cones. Most important term related to gymnosperms is strobili means a male or female cones produce on a upper part of the tree. It contain different types of spores to distinguish whether it is male or female. Conifers, about 630 species. Most familiar group. All conifers are woody trees that produce an annual additions of tissue. Annual rings formation means cambium present inside and produce resin, a type of latex substance or excretory substance produced inside the stem part of the plant. A viscous, clear or translucent substance consisting of organic compounds help protect plant from fungal or insect attack. Unique gymnosperms. This category includes some of the most interesting plants, including giant sequoia, redwood trees. Examples are most important for examination purpose. Very long life cycle of this plant, these both plants, trees, and Bristicon pinus. The cycads most significant during the Triassic period. Triassic period in geographical era classify in different eras or epochs. Most species are extinct, but the ones that remain are tropical and subtropical plants. Popular are ornamental, therefore many species endangered. Ecological and economic importance. Conifers forests provide stabilization of soil, मीन्स स्टेबिलिटी प्रोड्यूस करता है सॉइल में और स्ट्रेंथ को मेंटेन रखता है, फर्टिलिटी को भी मेंटेन करता है. ट्रीज यूज्ड फॉर क्रिसमस ट्रीज, टिम्बर, मेडिसिनल प्रोडक्ट्स, रेजिन्स एंड varnishes. Varnish used in festival Holi by the protective layer on the face or whole body. And the neophytes contain more efficient water conducting cells in their xylem called vessel elements, means water conduction through xylem, and the food transportation by the phloem. Cone clusters resemble flower clusters. Some have seeds that are fleshy and resemble fruits from flowering plants. Conifers reproduction: female cone larger than male cone. When a female cone is mature, it will open to allow the megasporangia to be exposed. Male cones produce microspores that develop into the pollen grains that are dispersed by the wind. Pollen lands on exposed megasporangia, producing seeds with papery wings to be dispersed for a new plant. Ginkgo only contains one living species. The ginkgo are maidenhair tree, named because of a fan-shaped leaves resembling the maidenhair fir. Oldest genus and species of living trees found to be at least 170 million years old. Female ginkgo trees release a smell when the seeds mature. Therefore, some cities have ordinance against the planting of female trees because of their snitch. And the life cycle of Pinus like this. It's a needle-like evergreen plants. The mature sporophyte plants. Male cones, pollen cones, release through male gametes through wind, and immature female cones. Both type of gametes release outside through wind, and the meiosis occurs. Then male cone is scale from a male cone. Each scale means 2 microsporangia, means cell divided into one cell divided into 2 cell, and then 8 cell stage. And the haploid gametophytic generation means the half gametophytic generation and half sporophytic generation. Gametophytic haploid generation and micro TS section cut the microsporangia. Then millions of spores develop inside in pollen grains, and the pollen grains are transferred to the female cones by wind and the attached to the female gametophyte, means fused after syngamy condition. Female gametophyte, megasporangium, megaspores growing pollen tube, and the pollen tube after fusion start fertilization, and the fertilization, the zygote formation, secondary sperm reduced, and pollen tube produce or insert through micropylar end, sperm nucleated wing with tag nuclei, and then mature female cone or seed cone, and the 2 seeds on the upper structure of are attached upper surface of the scales. And female gametophyte, mature tissue, mature seed or embryo, then converted into the newly germinated seedlings or new plant formation. That's it.